Everybody, welcome to week 1 Independent Learning Day workout due Wednesday. So complete this workout and exit ticket by Wednesday at midnight. So you're gonna watch this video, you're gonna complete the warm-up, workout, and the cool down. You'll download the PDF in Notability and turn it into Schoology by Wednesday at 11:59. Watch this video, obviously. Here's your workout, okay? So you gotta do the warm-up, the workout, and the cool down. Warm-up, complete all 5 exercises for 1 minute each. So here are your 5 exercises: jumping jacks, front plank, bodyweight squats, arm circles, and mountain climbers. Okay, so you're gonna do these each for 1 minute. So 1 minute jumping jacks, then do a 1 minute plank, 1 minute of squats, 1 minute arm circles, 1 minute mountain climbers. Then your warm up is done. Okay, then you're gonna complete all the exercises from left to right, then do it again 3 times. So you're gonna do 12 calf raises, 10 squats, 8 push-ups, 6 jump squats, and 4 burpees. That would be 1 time. Then you're going to go back, do it 2 times through, then go back, do it 3 times through. Then your workout is complete. For your cool down, you're going to stretch on your own for 5 minutes, work on your breathing and stretching the muscles you used today. Again, this is due by Wednesday. So to fill out the exit ticket, you're going to go back to the independent learning folder. Your exit ticket is right here, the PDF. You're going to turn it in right there.